the bottom, two hands for security. And it slides out the top. So you uncover sink, cooktop, or you can put different types of appliances here, and then you pull out the faucet, and there's your functional top. Here at the bottom you have drawers, your dishwasher, your containers for the trash separated, and you can use different type of marble, 3 millimeters. So the effect is the marble top and not the weight. So those are like easy and light.
All right. Good afternoon. My name is Oliver Barr. This is the Franke Chef Center. This is our newest and latest addition to our Chef Center collection. This is a 45-inch sink, fits in a 48-inch cabinet. It is a multifunctional work center. It's exciting. You can use it for cooking and food preparation. You can use it for entertaining, and you can use it for cleaning as well. Here you've got a colander for food preparation. You need to wash anything. This is our cutting board where you can do additional food preparation or place hors d'oeuvres or garnishes for your entertainment. This is our roller mat, which stretches across and can be used for washing vegetables and preparing food. And then this is double layered grid. You can use it as a bottom grid. You can also use it on the integrated ledge up here to raise your work surface. On the right hand side, we've got two bins. This is a bin that you could use for
che è la psicologia ci dà un po' di colore e sapore al nostro piatto. E voilà.
Sure. Hi, my name is Natasha Rahaki. I'm the Bosch brand manager. We're here at the A&D show, and we're in the Bosch booth. In addition to our brand new dishwasher, we have our brand new coffee machine. The great thing about our coffee machine is it's built in, it has this beautiful sleek look, and when you open it inside, it's not plumbed, so the flexibility from an installation standpoint is just wonderful. You've got the water canister over here, you can hide your milk canister away, and then you have a dedicated reservoir for your coffee beans. And we have a ceramic grinder, so that flavor of the coffee really comes true in the Bosch coffee machine. The other great thing about this product is it's connected via our Home Connect app. So through the Bosch coffee machine and the Bosch Home Connect platform, you have the ability to access different worldly type of coffees that wouldn't normally be in your choice. So if I wanted a flat white, for example, I could send that recipe via my app to the Bosch coffee machine. And the other great thing is creating a playlist for dinners, for brunches over the weekend, so you can have your guests program what they want ahead of time, and then simply through the Home Connect app, have the coffee machine start making those beverages. So thank you so much for joining us at the Bosch booth at